Welcome to another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix your weed eater without having to pay a lot of money. And actually I'm going to show you the best way to make your weed eater function 100%. Okay, I removed the cover because I don't need the cover, because that's a string that they sell with the small one you put in here and you use that doesn't work. That breaks easily. So I come up with a way to make my weed eater works like a champ. So first of all, I have to clean the residue from before. Like this stuff in here. Just give it some stuff. Give it a good cleaning. Okay, so here. Okay, here is the thing. This is the original hole. I made another one here. On the other side, the same original hole, and I made another hole. Maybe I made them both. I think I did. Yeah, I made both of them. So now I'm gonna put the string. The best one to buy is this big one. It's like a 2.7 millimeter. Yeah, this one. It's big. Here is another one. I cut these from the other. So I cut two, and I'm gonna put one, the first one, go from here and over in here. There you go. Later on, I'm gonna cut the extra. Second one, I'm gonna put it from here. There you go. And I'm gonna make, it doesn't matter, over, then again over. It's like a zigzag kind of thing. There you go. Just like that. Just like that. And then from the other side, I'm gonna do the same. It's kind of tricky at the beginning, but once you get the hang of it, it's easy peasy. And that's it. I'm gonna get it out of here. There you go. And this how my weed eater works like a champ. I'm gonna cut some because this is too long. See, it should be shorter than the guard. I'm gonna cut some. I leave it just like this. There you go. That's better. And the same thing for the other side. Yep, just a little bit here. And that's it. This is not gonna come out. It's gonna stay like this, tight and nice. And like this, you can use your weed eater for like months and months before you have to change it. This is actually electric. sweet, huh? If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before you go. If you have any question, just drop them down in the comments. And thank you for watching.